Imagine this. Imagine if Earth suddenly lost the sun. No heat, no light, no life. Imagine a planet with no sun to orbit, no light, no warmth, just endless night. You're gazing up at a sky not of stars, but of pure black. No sunrise, no sunset, just cold, endless night. Your planet doesn't orbit a sun. It drifts alone through the void. No warmth, no light, no life. It is a rogue planet. Now picture this terrifying possibility. One day, that rogue world slams into Earth. What happens next is a cosmic domino effect, sending humanity into survival mode like never before. Could we escape? Could we rebuild? Could Mars become our only home? What is a rogue planet? Rogue planets, also known as nomads, are cosmic drifters, planets that travel alone, no longer tied to any star. Some were ejected from their star systems by gravitational chaos. Others might have been born in the darkness. They float through space unseen, silent, and frozen, ghost worlds. No atmosphere to breathe, no heat to sustain life, and no light to see. But here's the thing. The danger doesn't lie only in their solitude. It lies in what happens when one of them wanders too close to us. Earth sits in the habitable zone, just the right distance from the sun for life to thrive. But if a rogue planet the size of Mars suddenly emerged from the depths of space and collided with us, our survival would be in question. The temperature would plummet, sunlight would disappear, our oceans would freeze, and our blue planet would become an icy wasteland. The impact alone could wipe out most life. We've seen that happen before, with asteroids, not planets. But let's not stop at destruction. Let's explore what comes after. Suppose we had a warning. Humanity's best minds had years to prepare. In that case, our only salvation might lie on the red planet, Mars. But Mars is no paradise. Step outside without a suit and you'd die in seconds, from radiation, cold, and oxygen starvation. So to live there, we'd need to terraform it. Build a magnetosphere to block deadly rays, thicken its thin atmosphere, and warm it enough to allow water. We could release stored CO2 from Mars's polar caps to trap heat, and using fungi and bacteria, we could literally grow building blocks from Martian soil.
Thousands of years later, descendants of survivors might return to Earth. What would they find? A world that has drifted far from the sun, frozen and changed. But maybe, just maybe, it would begin to stabilize. The magnetic field might regenerate, the atmosphere could rebuild, and in hidden depths, life could still exist. Tiny survivors like tardigrades, the toughest creatures on Earth, might greet us. These microscopic water bears can survive space, radiation, even 30 years without food. We could plant seeds from vaults or leftover stores. The soil, enriched by ancient life, might support crops again. Slowly, generation by generation, Earth could be reborn. Thankfully, rogue planet collisions are rare, incredibly rare, and our technology is improving fast. Astronomers can now detect massive objects entering the solar system well in advance. If we spot one, we have options: kinetic impactors to push it away, gravity tractors, spacecraft that slowly tug the object using gravitational force, or the strangest method of all, spray painting the planet. Sounds crazy, but when survival is at stake, every option counts. So next time you look at the stars, remember, some planets are alone out there, drifting through the dark. One of them could change everything. But humanity, we adapt, we survive, we rebuild. If this video sparked your imagination, like and share it, and explore the next frontier with us by watching more right here.